there, this is Jen, and thanks for joining me today. Today I am hopping along with my fellow design team members to celebrate the stamp and die of the month for the Not Too Shabby Shop. This is called Tons of Cute is a stamp set. There is a coordinating die that you can purchase or not purchase, but it is an excellent die set to purchase, and I'll show you in this video why that is. But today is also a hop, and so if you would be so kind as to leave a comment on our videos and then fill out the Rafflecopter link in one of the videos that you watch, to be entered into a giveaway for a $25 gift certificate to the Not Too Shabby Shop. The hashtag to use to find all the videos is hashtag N2SBabyLove. I will leave that in my description below, as well as the title, so that you can easily find all of us. I went ahead and made 2 cards today, and so I grabbed this die from my stash. I believe it's a We Are Memory Keepers die. It's an older die that cuts out the heart and then some different fragments of the heart, I guess. And so I'm going to go ahead and color the main piece up, or the frame piece up, with some blackjack in Catherine Pooler, and then I'm going to use several other Catherine Pooler inks to color up the little insert pieces of the heart. And the colors that I'm using are a Fiesta Blue, Be Mine, and Lime Ricky. And so I'm just going to take my blending brush and color up a few of those until I have all of the colors completed. And I'm just kind of dry fitting them in there to make sure that's what I want. And then I'm going to go ahead and take that frame piece and add a little bit of a liquid adhesive around the edges, and then adhere that to a 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 a size card panel. And once I have that adhered, I'll go ahead and set a block on it and let that dry for a few minutes. And then I'm going to start adding the insert pieces. And so I'm doing that just by taking the pieces and adding a little bit of glue to the back and then fitting it in to where it fits on that frame. And then once I have all of those in place, I'll go ahead and set that piece aside and grab the negative space from this heart to make a second card. And I thought it was a little empty, especially with the images that are in the stamp set. And so I wanted to fill up the space a little bit. So what I ended up doing was grabbing my discard pile, which I've been doing. I don't know if it's a beginning of the year thing, but I always keep the panels that I don't use or don't like at the time in a stash, and it's great to pull those out for little things like this. And so what I've done is I've grabbed a few different sizes of hearts from my die stash and picked out some of those papers to use and went ahead and cut those out, and those are going to be the second card. And then I am looking through the stamps, and first impression might be that this is just a baby set, but it definitely is not. There are several sentiments in there that have nothing to do with new babies, but it is a great new baby set. It is also a great, I think, Mother's Day set. Some of the, or actually one of the stamps in there is just with the baby elephant, and the mama elephant I think would be perfect for Mother's Day, or a first time mom's day or something like that. But the stamps are really super adorable, and this is one reason why the die set is a must-have, I think, for this. This set with this stamp with the stars, and then there's another one with stars as well. It just cuts that out so beautifully. A lot of times you can get away with not buying the coordinating die set and either fussy cut or use your cutting machine, your scan and cut. But I think these dies, they are just so perfect for the stamps, and the way that they're cut out is just, I just love them, and I think they're a must-have. So I went ahead and used those coordinating dies to cut out all of my images, which were colored with Copic markers, and then I also did use the die set to cut out the sentiments. So there is a matching die for each of the sentiments as well. And then to finish off this first card, I'm going to go ahead and add, this is actually this calls for a confetti mix. That is a kind of a Christmas mix, but it had these plaid like clay pieces in there that match perfectly with this card, and so I went ahead and put a few of those on there. And then to put the second card together, I'm just going to take that negative space and adhere it to kind of a cream or off-white colored cardstock, and then I'll start adhering my heart pieces. So this green piece, I'm going to go ahead and take a piece of foam and pop that one up, and then I'll also pop up the last heart as well, which is the a pink heart. And then I'm just going to finish off the card, finish off assembling the card, and I will add a few Pink Fresh Studios glitter drops to this card in the color Leaf. And then at the end, after I'd finished the video, I thought it needed something else. And so in the still shots, you'll see that I added a bow that I added to the top with another glitter drop. But those are my cards for today. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to go ahead and click on the hashtag to find all of the videos, as well as to click on the Rafflecopter link to be entered into the giveaway. Good luck, everyone. Thanks so much for joining me today. I really appreciate it. And if you like this video or found it informative, I would love a thumbs up. Thanks, as always, for spending some time with me today. And I hope to catch you next time.